How to make a paracord bracelet, modified skeleton, free color paracord bracelet. Enjoy! Hello dear friends, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube paracord community. Today we're going to create this beautiful paracord bracelet designed by Jehovah Duarte. I hope I pronounce it well, and the modification for this bracelet is done by our brother Pavel Makurin from the Cetus 550. In the description down below of this video you will have the link to Pavel's Instagram profile, so make sure to check it out. Before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box. There you can find the tutorial for this 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends we're gonna use today, so make sure to check the top right corner information cards and the description box below the video. So that being said, let's start. For today's project we're gonna use the Paracord 550, the yellow one, the blue and the red. As you can see here, I fused the red and the blue together or joined them, and we're gonna use the feed. So we're gonna take the feed and let me just zoom a bit, and we're gonna pull it from the top between these 2 core strands, and we need that joint part to pass it. Okay, now we're gonna make it from the back again between the 2 core strands on the right side. As you can see, by doing this we hide the part where we joined our 2 cords, and we can start with today's project. So let me zoom a bit more. Okay, we're gonna take the right strand cord and we're gonna make it from the back through the gap between first and the second core strand here. And now we're gonna take the left one and make it under and through the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side. Now we're gonna take the red paracord, and from the top side we're gonna pass it through the gap between first and the second core strand from the right, like so, and then around and from the back through the loop on the right side. And we're gonna do the same with the blue. We're gonna make it across. Let me just detach the feed. So we're gonna do the same with the blue. We're gonna take it and make it across and into the gap, or through the gap between first and the second core strand from the left side here. Through. And now from the back through the loop on the left. And pull it to make it tight. So the left yellow under and through the gap between first and the second core strand, the right yellow under and through the gap between first and the second core strand, but from the left side. Now we're gonna mix a bit. We're gonna take the blue and we're gonna cross it on top and through the gap between first and the second core strand on the right side, and around and from the back through the loop on the right. Now we're gonna take the red one and we're gonna cross it onto the left through the gap between first and the second core strand on the left side, and from the back through the loop on the left. Very simple yet very beautiful paracord bracelet. So we have finished our today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!